If you're new to building websites, WordPress is one of the easiest and most flexible platforms to get started with in 2025. But before you dive in, here's what every beginner should know. First, WordPress is user-friendly. With the Gutenberg block editor, you can create pages and posts by simply dragging and dropping elements. No coding required. Whether you want a blog, a business website, or an online store, WordPress makes it possible. Next, there's the huge library of themes and plugins. Themes control how your website looks, and plugins add functionality, like SEO tools, social media integrations, contact forms, or e-commerce systems. This means you can customize your site to fit your exact needs, even as a beginner. One important thing to know is that WordPress requires some maintenance. You'll need to keep WordPress, your themes, and plugins updated to keep your site secure and running smoothly. Another tip for beginners: start small. Don't overload your site with too many plugins at first, as this can slow down your website or cause conflicts. Finally, WordPress has a large community and plenty of tutorials, so whenever you get stuck, you can find help easily online. Learning the basics may take a little time, but once you get the hang of it, WordPress gives you the freedom to build almost any website you can imagine. So if you're starting your first website in 2025, WordPress is a reliable, flexible, and beginner-friendly platform to begin with. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beginner tips, tutorials, and website building advice.